New from Bob Drake's. The newest addition to the Drake's fuel system line. Now available in high-strength steel with durable powder-coated finish. Let's take a look.
All-around resistance welded seam. 1 7/8 inch filler neck. Cage nuts for mounting. Side reinforcements on the upper tank portion. 1/4 inch MPT drain. Increased capacity at 15.5 gallons. Sides embossed with ribs for added strength and rigidity. Fuel pickup flange. Drake's multi-pattern fuel cylinder flange. Accepts Bob Drake's 99A9275 gas tank cylinder or aftermarket cylinders from BDO, Stewart Warner, and Classic Industry, among others. Included with the gas tank are the drain plug, gaskets, block-off plate, cylinder and fuel pickup screws. Each tank factory tested prior to shipment.
This tank is ready for your high-performance application. Drake Tank Strong.